Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am at Bird Café taking you guys to go thrifting with me and my friends. It's a really beautiful place. There's cafe part, and in the same time there's like mini market you can shop, you can go to. There's secondhand jewelries, there's scents, there's candles selling, I believe. There's many things you can also use in your house as well. For example, I'm looking for something for my house. That's cute, but not the vibe, so I'm putting that down. So, this is Ice. He is still in college. I am graduated. But anyway, he's a diva. And I got this beautiful painting of a lady under the moon and another chill painting with the sky field underneath. Good food. She got some stuff. Oh, what is this?
This is my number for the food.
I thought it was something from Thrifting. Wow. I like how she poses, like very Gen Z.
She has to work for 10 hours. Mixed with
non-addictive.
It is like try smoke this. I'll let you guys know if it's good.
Yeah.
If it works. It's in there. His head is out. You see it? Oh yeah. That's
Moving on, we are at One Nimman, and this place is, I'm not sure how many days there's flea market, but this place is bomb. There's many cool kids, cool vendors, beautiful clothes to choose from, beautiful scenery as well. You can walk around in the market as well. And yeah, I didn't get anything more, but I enjoy watching my friend shopping. It's like, yeah, I'm a part of them. So it's like watching the runway too, actually. It's beautiful. It's a vibe. It's, chill day when you don't have anything to do. This is what we are doing, which is cool.
What do you think? I don't know how to.
It looks cute on him. He's iconic. He loves doing iconic stuff. Yes, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy your time. Like and subscribe. Bye bye.